Hello, good afternoon. It's Friday again. It's the 28th of January. I am Mike, and this is the for Caravan's news of the week. I'm not in a prison cell, it's okay. It's just different view of the office and the boardroom, etc. Hoping everyone's safe and well, and everyone's had a good week. Obviously, lots of things in the news about restrictions being relieved, etc. So reasons are positive. And yeah, in terms of weather, it was very cold down here earlier this week. Today is 9 degrees. So although apparently some prediction was we were meant to be -5 today, which, like everything with the weather, never ends up quite as they say it does it? So yes, yeah, not a bad week. So actually the face has gone down, so I can actually speak relatively properly. I think the staff are a bit annoyed because I keep talking, but it could be worse, couldn't it? Anyway, what are we looking at today? So we've got for you bridge video from Posh Cats Camping to have a look at. 2022 models. They were at Brown Hills. This is part 1, I believe, of their video. So they were having a look at Eldest, Swift, Auto Trail, and Adria. Obviously popped in and out of the services as well on the way, as you do. Brown Hills in Newark, that is. So have a look at that. So that's part 1. Graham, the Caravan vlogger, has been booking holidays in France, which is Graham Manny, which is fantastic. 1 million views as well for the Caravan vlogger, so that's congratulations. That's a fantastic number, unbelievable in fact. I didn't know the thing about the club car, which is seems a bit off, because unless someone can explain to me, I'm not sure how the logic works. So you can have a club car vouchers if you got a car but not with a caravan. Yeah, very odd. Only Vans have spent their first night in their caravan on the forecourt Glossop's Vans in their Swift Elegant 650 2020 model. Obviously they're on the way also to their pitch at Blakemere. So have a look at that. It's a great new channel to be watching and having a look at. Look around the caravan as well, and yeah, they were having steak dauphinoise potatoes, steak and dauphinoise potatoes, I should say. I do love a nice dauphinoise potato. So yeah, I don't know why, but I always seem to find things that relate to food. Anyway, Andrew and Karen's Adventures, they have been to Milton Mowbray. Lovely music on the video as well, so yeah, that's something to have a look at for you. Obviously we're hopefully looking at half term coming up in a few weeks' time, and then obviously Easter to follow. So the Tim Mox Traveller, 10 packing tips for parents. So yeah, very practical tips. Getting the list together. Don't overpack. Wrinkle-free clothing, etc. And then do involve the children involved in the packing, particularly when it's the toys that are involved. And on the same kind of theme, get out with the kids, choosing the best caravan layout for families. That's 10 tips. And Tread the Globe have been to, or continuing their journey on the east of Turkey. Today, We Are the World, which I've never heard, actually, I don't know why I've never heard of it. 1985 Supergroup USA for Africa. Michael Jackson, Lionel Richie, Quincy Jones, Bruce Springsteen, and Stevie Wonder, amongst others. Don't know how I've not mentioned that. I suppose it kind of pales in the shadow of Live Aid, I guess. But and today also is National Fun at Work Day. I haven't told the team yet. But for them, every day is Fun at Work Day for them. Today is also International Lego Day. So that's one of my. So I mentioned that because one of my colleagues is a huge Lego fan. In fact, Christmas is just like a big Lego party in her house. Yeah, and obviously just also quick congratulations to my team. I don't know if you've seen on Twitter this week, we've won the FIFA Platinum Award. So from me to them, my team, and obviously all the people that have commented and reviewed us, thank you very much. It is a very passionate thing. We genuinely do believe in it, in treating customers fairly and doing the best for everyone as much as we can. And yeah, massive tribute to my team because they are amazing and only get better with age. So anyway, that's the news this week, and yeah, have a great weekend, everyone, and we will see you again next week. Thank you.